Goodnight, Goodnight, Construction Site, Bulldozer Shapes by Sherri, Duskey, Rinker, and Ethan Long. At a new construction site, Bulldozer revs up with delight. He sees the messy, rugged view. Woohoo! There's so much awesome work to do. Crane truck will help to point the way. They'll get the site in shape today. Big Bulldozer starts to run and push right through to start the fun. Crane truck goes high to check the view and see what Dozer needs to do. Crane truck plans the job with care. Wait, Crane shouts, start over there. Bulldozer nods. He's off to play and carves a squiggle on the way. He gathers boulders, makes a stack, charging forward, gliding back. With great power, he rolls and wrangles those rocks into a tall triangle. Then he moves great piles of ground into a circle, nice and round. Go left now, calls out Crane truck, but watch that hole or you'll get stuck. Bulldozer clears huge piles of sand and forms a diamond in the land. He collects all kinds of rusty junk into one massive metal hunk. And soon all of the mangled tangle is set into a neat rectangle. Bulldozer moves 10 gravel hills with perfect skill so nothing spills. He gathers piles near and far and makes one mound shaped like a star. He shifts down hard to push and scrape and makes a road an oval shape. Crane truck points, you're almost done. Bulldozer makes one last fast run. He moves away old trees and stumps and levels all the hills and humps. Now the site is flat and bare, a perfect smooth and giant square. The end.